everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can deactivate your Cash App protection in the form of the Cash App security lock. So let's get right into it. I will be using this guide over here because I don't have access to Cash App in my region, so I really hope that you guys don't mind, but this guide is very well made, so you won't have any difficulty following it. Now, what you're going to need to do to deactivate your account settings is, of course, open up your Cash App and then go into your account menu. In the top right of the app, just tap on your account icon and then go into your settings. From there, you can very easily go into privacy and security, and this is where your security lock is located. Now, the security lock is basically a functionality which allows you to either use your PIN, Touch ID, or Face ID to confirm transactions, and without them, you won't be able to confirm those transactions if you make them. Now, if you wish to disable this, again, just go into privacy and security, and then from there on, you can just toggle the security lock off, and then you're pretty much good to go. And that is pretty much it. Other protections, such as your transactions failing due to some irregularities that Cash App detected, are not, you're not able to disable them. But what you need to do is just fix them in any way you can. But other than that, there is no way to disable that. The only thing that you have control over is your security lock, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys the process myself, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.